Hi, everyone.
Hi, Emily.
Hi. So I'm Emily. I'm a mechanical engineer, um, and I work for a company called Vinyl Technology. We're a soft good manufacturer. One second. Oops. Like the company that I work for, it's a soft good manufacturer. And we make things such as fuel bladders or for military drones and medical apparatus to apply pressure for radiology uses, and we're also developing one for post-surgery use. And we also make flight suits for Air Force. Those are some of the products that we make. For my hobbies, since my background was in art, I still enjoy drawing, dressmaking, and I also like to watch various documentaries and binge watch movies and shows. My favorite part of engineering is the sense of challenge, especially in problem solving. Problem solving is fun for me. And a fun fact about me is that I used to work in the fashion design industry before I went into engineering. And next slide, please. I graduated from California State University, Northridge with my bachelor's. And my journey into engineering is actually a little backwards. So when I was little, I never thought of pursuing engineering. My father was an artist, so since I was young, I've been conditioned to become an artist, who put me in a drawing contest and drawing practices all the time. And on top of that, I also struggled a lot with math and science, and I actually genuinely was scared of math and science. But I didn't realize that I wanted to study engineering until I was in my mid-20s. And thinking back, when I was little, I used to be really curious just about how things work, and I used to pull my toys apart just to see how it works. And I've dismembered my Barbie dolls to see how the joints work. And obviously I can never put them back together, right? and I'll just get yelled at by my mom. And what first sparked my realization for engineering was from watching Star Wars, Star Trek, and a bunch of space documentaries. But this didn't solidify until I met a friend who helped me believe that I was capable of learning anything that I want to, anything that I put my mind to, including math and science. Bit of engineering was some of it is this newfound confidence and pride that I didn't have before. And this mostly just came from just simple accomplishment in conquering a challenge. And something that I also noticed is that people tend to look at you differently. What you say weighs a little more to people. And you also gain a lot of knowledge when just going through engineering school, and you gain a lot of knowledge and how the physical world works. And I also think it's important to have more women in STEM field to help shift this paradigm that STEM careers are a boys thing. And when I grew up in Taiwan, about third, fourth grade, I remember the teacher. There was a session that we had where the teacher asked us, what would we like to be when we grow up? And every girl in the class said they want to be a nurse. And that includes me, by the way. And thinking back, it's wow, that was not good. And I think, or for me, I said nursing at the time because I thought that's just what girls are supposed to do. That's a girl's job. And the other girls in the class may have thought the same. And it wasn't good where that the girls chose a career because we thought it was something that we're supposed to do. And I think having women in STEM, making it, but equalizing the gender in that field can help show that STEM career is just as much for girls than it is for boys. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Emily. We really, really do appreciate. So we are going to